If your iPhone calendar is not syncing with Outlook, here's the quick fix. First, open Settings, then tap on your Apple ID name at the top. Now tap on iCloud. Scroll down and tap on Show All under Apps using iCloud. Find calendars in the list. If it's turned off, simply turn it on. If it's already on, turn it off, wait about 5 seconds, then turn it back on. This restarts the calendar sync. Check if your Outlook calendar is now syncing. If the issue persists, go back to Settings, tap your Apple ID, then iCloud again. Make sure you have at least 2 to 3% of iCloud storage available. If storage is full, syncing won't work. Also, go back to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage. Ensure your iPhone has at least 5% free storage for proper calendar synchronization. This should fix your iPhone and Outlook calendar sync issue.